Okay, part two. Any electronic device, but especially camera. You go at Fredericton camera service to get good service. This guy is from Vancouver. He fixes everything. Now, Ruben, a dog, gave me the camera that I have, and it works good. But I can't see. When we do interviews, we can't see it. So the other camera, as you seen the last time, I couldn't see through the screen, and I couldn't see when I lifted it. It was totally chaos. So I dropped it off over this guy. He sent me an email this morning, and this is the building, north side, right across from Andy Williams, the insurance tank. There's Jardin, and you go in the side door. He's good. I'm telling you, this guy is very good. There's another good business. There's another good business. You turn around, you lock yourself out. There we go. How you doing, you? See, he's always busy. Now, what are you fixing now?
Old camera, 1970s.
1970. And what was wrong with the camera?
Battery leakage, electrolyte damage.
In 1970. Now, why would somebody bring...
Optic, superior optic.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And instead of throwing it in the garbage, you bought it here. They had the cameras on.
People like, for many reasons. Some people collect, some people use them. It's normal. Many people back to film cameras, like many back to turntables. They still play vinyl. Same reason.
And that's why you shouldn't throw a camera out.
No,
this is the place to come.
No, this is very personal. People may throw, like some people like to keep something, some people throw away. This is a very personal question.
It's good, and you're the man. And you fixed mine.
Yes, I did. Huh?
Look at that.
Yep.
Look at that. I could see
It's
through
good.
it. I could lift her up. I don't want to break it again. I don't want to.
This is the problem.
Look at that.
This is the problem. This part, this is moving part, and they fold it and crack. So this is what's happened. No, now it's okay. Now it's brand new part.
Incredible.
No, nothing incredible. Just repair.
No, but I mean, how many people is there like you around New Brunswick?
I don't know. Never ask it.
You don't want to know if there's competition or not.
I don't think about competition. I just think I care what I do. Competitors, they do what they have to do.
There was a friend of mine, we're talking about you yesterday, from St. John. In St. John, there's nobody. There used to be, what was it called? What was it called? Apple St. John. It was an old studio. That's gone.
I don't know. No, but anyway, whoever exists, like my competitors, good for them. I wish them always the best.
Have a good heart. What's your website again?
Frederictoncamera.com.